Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add a friend to the friend list in F1.24. In order to invite a friend to our friend list, then first we need to open the player hub. You can do this by pressing the view button on the Xbox controller or F3 on your keyboard. I'm not sure what button it is on PlayStation, but you can see the button in the top right corner next to the player information. Once you open the player hub, over here you will find friends. And once you go here, you can switch to find F1 players, and then over here you have enter player ID. If you select this option, then you can type the name of your friend, and then you should be able to find that person on the list and invite them to the friend list. And then over here you can also switch to friends. So here you'll find all your friends that you have added so far, or those that you have accepted through invites over here. So your friend will find the invites pretty much in the same place, but in this tab over here, invites and requests. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!